You are not of the world, but I chose you out of the world. My dear brothers and sisters in blood of Christ, many more times in our lives we think, I am a Christian, I am a good Catholic, come to church, follow the rules and regulations, the commandments of the church. I do help, I extend my help to the poor and needy. I am very honest and truthful, but still, why God tempt me and give the trials and temptations and problems in our life? Why I have to undergo the sufferings? Why I have to have all kind of problems in my life, in my family? Death, sicknesses and suffering, all these things. Why? This question raises for every one of us. Today is the answer for that. You are not the world of the people in this world, but you are out of the world. I have chosen you for the purpose to be witness, to be a missionary, to be a true disciple of Christ. Because the Lord also was hated. He was neglected. Even they killed him on the cross. So even our God himself underwent such pains and trials and tribulations. As a disciple of him, surely we too will have the sufferings, have the trials and tribulations. But the day will come, we will resurrect with the Lord, as Jesus had did in his life.